Welcome back to Royal Wood Flooring here in Phoenix, Arizona. And what we have is a beautiful, beautiful November day. It is Thursday, November 11, 2016. And we're just gonna go ahead and make a quick little video of this floor we installed on top of a wood floor, since the old one was not in good condition and we had to make it flush with the kitchen. If you watch our previous video, you could see that we built it up to match the kitchen and the hallway. So this house probably about 1902, and this is the nice thing about these old homes. We could go in through here or through the front door. Well, let's go ahead and go in through here. We put the second coat on, and we're gonna go ahead and put the third coat on today. As you could see, this, in our previous video, this was a room that had pine floor in it, and we put a new floor on top of it, oak border with maple inlay. Now it's nice and solid. Look at the beautiful detail work. Yep, you could see it. Once we're done buffing and putting a third coat, we'll put the covers back on, and you could see it turned out really, really good. Magnificent. Let's go ahead and close that door. And, well, let's go ahead and go through the front of the house. Try to make it quick. Oh, there's the custom-made threshold we built. And this is the new wood floor on top of existing wood floor. And this is where we custom-made the border. Picture framed it in. There you go. We aligned the plugs to this way they're aligned with each other. Previously they were way off. You can see this is a on my head. Sorry about that. And we got it to be flush with the kitchen. We aim one day to go ahead and do the border and the maple in there also. For now, the kitchen and living room, dining room is done. Let's go ahead and see how the hallway turned out. This was original, and as you can see, the maple's a little bit thinner here. And there's the front bedroom, and this is the back bedroom. Look at that border. We're able to match it, and the same to the front bedroom. So give us a call today at 602-446-2613. Find us online at Royal Wood Flooring here in Phoenix, Arizona, and we can help you with all your wood flooring needs. Whether it's refinishing, restoration, whatever you would like, we can go ahead and do it for you. Call us today.